I got some peppers here. It's too hot right here, so I need to move them on into this area. More shade. They get too much sun. My big tomato plants are doing okay. These small ones, the sun is too hard on them. So that's what I want to do with these peppers. So I had some green beans here, and the sun is cooking them in this area. And it's the ones that are getting hurt, I'm going to move farther into the shade. Here's my walking onions. They didn't do good. I hate to lose them. I was wanting them so bad. But the next day, they just wilted down to nothing. They couldn't take this heat. I didn't even have them in the sun. The heat just got to them and tore them up. If I had them maybe early spring while it's still cool, maybe they would have acclimatized a little better. But I'll tell you that the sun and heat is hard. And my squash plant, it's just cooking bad from the sun. The sun isn't friendly out here, so we just got to do what we got to do, make more shade. I had 2 bunches of Swiss chard seedlings coming up, and they're in shade, but the heat is too hard on them, so they're dying. So I'll have to plant some more when it gets cooler. I think I got 10 or 11 of these plants, 5 pots for $10. So if I got 10 of them, that'd be $1 a piece. So that's not a bad price. And I brought some pots over here. I can watch Bill work on the greenhouse. And it feels nice and cool out this morning. No breeze. Feels good for a while. They got some great root system on it. And I split them in half. So probably they won't go in much shock at all. There's the other one. And it's firm. So that's pretty good. I'll get some more ready. There's Sonny, the big helper. Well, I got 13 plants, more than I thought. And then I bought 1 banana pepper, and it had 3 of them in there, so I separated them. Now I'm going to go put them in the kitchen garden and let them recover in there. They're taking a break too, and Peanut has a stick on his face. I wonder why that is. Peanut likes a nap. Peanut, are you ready to go back to work? Did you take your nap? Are you ready? You want to go help Daddy?
Can I help Daddy, Mom?
Well, I don't think you can help him right now. You want to help me in the garden? Peanut, hey, what's the matter? You don't want to help me?
I want to take another nap, Mom. I love Belle, Mom. She bites my elbows.
Yeah, that's how she plays. She likes to chew on elbows. But you come tell me and I'll tell her to stop.
Okay, Mom.
Bill's changing our water cooler pads, and Belle loves the pad. Yeah. Oops, there he goes. We always change these out around July because they build up with mineral, and they really make the house smell good, the new pads. I want to roll all over that. I got the peppers up against this fence, so they're gonna sit here and get stronger before I take them out in full sun. And I will get them back used to full sun before I plant them. But right now they're in recovery. My kitchen garden is like a nursery for babies.
Are you ready to quit, Mom? Are you ready to go in? You ready, Mom? Oh, Daddy's ready.
Go ask him if he's ready.
Good. Are you ready to go in?
No, he's saying, are you ready to go in?
Oh, is he?
Yeah, he's ready to go in.
We'll chase some rabbits.
Are you getting tired of working, Peanut?
Mom, I want to go in. It's cool in the house.
Okay, we'll go in a minute.